and welcome to AI Tool 7. If you're passionate about technology and the incredible advancements in artificial intelligence, you've come to the right place. Our channel is dedicated to exploring the fascinating world of AI tools and applications that are transforming industries and enhancing everyday life. At AI Tool 7, we dive deep into the latest AI technologies, providing you with insightful tutorials, reviews, and demonstrations. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a business professional, or just curious about how AI can benefit you, our content is designed to cater to all levels of expertise.
Hi friends, uh, uh, welcome to my channel. You have seen a very beautiful avatar that you can make for yourself, for your channel, and just for fun as well. So if you want to make such a nice avatar for yourself or for your channel, then you are at a right place. To make this avatar, you have to come to huma.com, and this huma.com is humwa.com is basically humwa.com. This is a simple website where you have to log in using your uh, details of Gmail or any other email account. So here a number of avatars are already created. You can use these avatars as well, or if you want to make your own avatar, you can do it as well. So for example, you can select from these avatar. You can select the gender if you want a male avatars as well. There are a number of avatar. If you can basically change the age. You can if you want senior avatars, these are senior avatars. If you want basically uh, avatars having lesser age, then you can do it as well. If you want to work on cartoon avatar, you can select it from here. If you want studio avatar for new studios, you can select it from here, and so on. But if you want to make your own avatar, you can do it by making or by creating this plus sign. Using this plus sign, you can add your own avatar very simply. For example, if I want to add my own avatar, I can only add one avatar, and I have uploaded this image, and I have basically named it as Amber, and it's basically generating. It will take some time, and once it created, I can click this, and I can basically give it some text. That text will be directly lip synced with this avatar, and I can play it. And in free plan, I have total 31 credits, 36 credits, and with those 36 credits, I have created one video. I will show it to you. And by creating multiple videos, you can basically use this free plan. If you want to make your YouTube channel, then you have to have a paid plan. But if you can make uh, multiple basically accounts, you can use it for a while. And there are some packages as well for YouTubers. You can earn rewards if you can make a video for them as well. So let's go to basically our avatar, for which I have uh, made it, and I have used this one avatar, which is over here on my projects. Let's go to my projects, and it's over here, I think so. Let's check it. It's not here. So I can select it. I can select the scene, and I can go for clicking next. So these are basically in the creation mode. Now if I want to have I want to select it from the public. For example, I have selected this one, and I have given some text which I have created using ChatGPT, or even you can write it by yourself. You can paste it here for lip syncing, and just you can select the characters from here and the voices from here. These are Laura, Maria, etc., etc. For example, you can listen it
Let's make
here.
this awesome together.
You have
Whatever
to
you're
select
aiming for, you're in the right place. Let's make it.
someone from here, huh? So you can paste it over here, and once done, you can basically export this project, or you can run it directly from here as well. So if you want to run it from here, just click the play button, and in a while it will play the first 200 words. But here you have around 1000 words, and from these 1000 words,
Hello, and
these
welcome
are
to
specially
AI
for
Tool
the single
7.
form.
If
You
you're
can make
passionate about
multiple forms
technology
of
and
1000
the
words.
incredible
So
advancements in
let's stop
artificial
it
intelligence,
and export it. So when I click export, it will start exporting. The task is successfully created, and now my project is over here. This was my previous project, and this is creating. If I click this project, this will be downloaded, and once downloaded, I can check it in my uh, basically downloaded folder, which is over here. And if I play it, you can
hello,
listen it.
and welcome
So
to
it's
AI
amazing.
Tool
You
7.
can use this
If you're
this
passionate
avatar,
about
your own
technology
created
and the
avatar,
incredible
or
advancements in artificial
for
intelligence,
making
you've come to the right
your
place. Our
faceless YouTube
channel is
channel, or
dedicated to
a channel
exploring
on
the
which you
fascinating
want
world
to
of AI
use an
tools and
avatar,
applications
or
that
you
are
can use
transforming industries and
a
enhancing
specific
everyday life.
channel for
At AI
news
Tool
as well.
7, we
So
dive
thank you
deep
so
into the
much,
latest AI
and
technologies,
please subscribe my
providing
channel
you
for
with insightful
more such
tutorials,
videos. Thank you.
reviews, and demonstrations. Whether you're